Let's try to see some of the advanced concepts to the retrieving the data. What are the result sets we are getting from the table? We how we can sort these result sets. So that is what we are going to see. And in this session, we are going to see how we can sort the result sets by ascending or descending order. How we can understand which column to use. The very first thing is when it comes to retrieving data from the table, which we just use like this, select start from the table name and then maybe a particular column as well. However, when we retrieve this data, it doesn't seems to be in alphabetical order or what is it should be like. You can say it is in the way it is stored in the table. However, there is some requirements like we need to sort the data based on its alphabetical order or maybe in a reverse order as well. So it depends upon means there are many requiremements for many columns and as per that we need to sort the data. So how we can do that? For that we do have this order by clause where we can actually use this select first name from author like this is the table name and after that we can use this order by first name. When we use this statement like order by first name, then we get these results as a alphabetical like you can see a b then after that j. So all these records which are displaying is in alphabetical order. Now by default this is getting displayed as ascending order. If you are not using any keyword like you can see here we have using descending as a word, so it comes in a reverse order. However, if you are not giving any word like this, then by default it takes an ascending order. Ascending order like this and then descending order is the reverse one. And we can also use instead of this column name like here we have used column name, you can actually give the column name column number as well like sequence number. Now here there are two columns and we just wanted to sort it, so we wanted to sort by pages, so that is how it is ordered by two. That way also we can specify in our uh, query where it means suppose if you don't want to column name, then we can give this or order sequence number. In summary, we have seen how to sort the results by ascending and descending order and how we can see the results in an ordered way. I hope you like this and I will see you in next lecture.